Welcome back, everybody. Today I'm going to teach you how to manually add an account to Outlook. This is incredibly useful when you need more control over your email settings or when the automatic setup isn't working properly. Let's walk through this process step by step. First, start by opening your Microsoft Outlook app and log into your account. This will load in all your existing emails and give you access to the account management features. Make sure everything loads properly before moving forward to the next step. Once your email has loaded completely, navigate to the File menu located at the top part of your screen where all your tools and menus are positioned. This is typically found in the upper left corner of the Outlook window. Go ahead and click on the File tab to open the main Settings menu. After the File menu opens, you'll find yourself under the Info tab by default. Here you'll see an Account Settings drop-down option. Click on this drop-down to reveal additional options related to managing your email accounts. From the options that appear, click on Account Settings again. This will open a separate account settings window where you can view and modify all your connected email accounts. Now in the account settings window, under the email tab, look for the new button and click on it. This initiates the process of adding a new email account. An email connection window will appear on your screen, prompting you to enter your email address. Type in the email address you want to add manually into the provided field. Next, click on the Advanced Options dropdown to expand additional setup choices. You'll see a checkbox that states, "Let me set up my account manually." Click on this checkbox to enable manual configuration. This gives you complete control over the server settings and connection parameters. Once that's checked, click on Connect to proceed to the next stage. From the advanced setup screen, you'll need to choose which type of email address you're trying to add manually. For this tutorial, we'll use the POP manual settings, so go ahead and click on POP. This will open up a form where you can configure your incoming and outgoing mail server details. Start filling out the fields for your incoming mail server and ports. These details are usually provided by your email service provider, so make sure you have that information ready. Then check the box for the required encryption method, which is typically SSL or TLS depending on your provider's specifications. After that, move on to set up the outgoing mail server with the correct server address and port number. Once you've entered all the necessary information, click on Next. Outlook will now verify if the account details along with the incoming and outgoing server settings match and are configured correctly. This verification process may take a few moments, so just wait patiently while Outlook tests the connection. Once the verification is complete and successful, your account will be added to Outlook and you'll be able to send and receive emails through it. And that's it. You've successfully added an email account manually to Outlook with full control over your server settings. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.